is just round the corner. I'm pleased that...
Charlotte, it's only been a few weeks.
A few weeks? Are you sure? I'm pleased to say you're all excelling yourself and there's been no letting up. I mean, it does help when you've got a wingman or a wing sister to help with your creativity. So this is a tribute to family and flatmates. It's amazing to see how creative you can all be when you're not all arguing over who's got the remote or whose turn it is to take the bins out. Let's celebrate all the wonderful flatmates in the world, shall we? And look at these very considerate residents of this block of flats. Wow, toothpicks have finally been used by people other than old men and rednecks. And look at these strapping volleyball lads. Wait, the whole volleyball team live in the same block of flats? That must be heaven on earth. Hey guys, I'll be the net if you want. Anyway, enough with that kindness rubbish. Let's see the reality of most flatmates. They are absolute prankers.
Kan jag det?
Yeah, that's funny. But you know what's even funnier? When it goes wrong. Well, that backfired.
No!
I'm about to take the biggest gamble known to lockdown land. That's right, I am on the toilet and I haven't even checked if there's a bog roll. Why risk it, you ask? Well, because I like to live on the edge, and in these dark days, that hit of adrenaline is just what I need. And I've been pretty inspired by all of you lot who have been using inventive ways to gamble with toilet rolls. Humans aren't the only creatures obsessed with loo rolls during lockdown. Our furry friends are big fans too. No bog roll left? How about using your dog's natural instincts to fetch you a new one?
Can you get a roll from the kitchen, please?
What a good boy. If that was one of my dogs, he would be back in 10 minutes with a dead bird and a proud smile. And what is going on here? It looks like a serious crime has happened. Someone has ransacked a house for loo roll. Oh no, it's just a doggo. Oh, look at his face. I can't stay mad at that. Remember that puppy from the toilet roll ads? Well, this is what he looks like now.
What are you doing?
Ah, the curse of child actors. He's hooked on the bog roll. Poor fella. And even the rabbits are at it. This bunny really regrets getting the Vindaloo last night, and he's paying the price now.
I hope you intend on using all of that.
Top tip, you might want to put it in the fridge first.